What's up guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you some super basic ways on how to style your bangs that are really quick in the morning, that don't require any heat apart from just straightening your bangs. So really quickly, to start off before I actually get into the hairstyles, the dry shampoo that I use currently is the Ren Pure Coconut Argan Dry Shampoo. I love this one. This one is cruelty free and it was super affordable. It was just from Marshalls. I think it was like $8 or $9 and it's giant. I used a different brand before this, but it wasn't cruelty free, so that's why I don't want to promote it on my channel. But this one is, so if you guys are looking for a cruelty free alternative to your dry shampoo, I definitely would recommend this one. It smells really good and it actually really helps kind of soak up all of those oils, which is basically all that a dry shampoo is supposed to do. If you didn't know, I try my best to wash my hair only 2 or 3 times a week, but I'm getting good at only washing it twice. I do obviously shower every day, but I don't wash my hair every day just because I'm just trying to keep my hair as healthy as possible, and washing it every day isn't good for your hair. It strips your scalp of all the natural oils. So definitely try and only wash your hair a couple times a week if you can. If not, just try and use the least amount of heat on it as possible. I don't curl my hair as much as I used to anymore, so I find that will obviously help your hair stay healthier if you're not curling it or straightening it every day. I do straighten my bangs every day just because I don't have naturally straight hair and they will go crazy, but because I do get them trimmed every 4 to 5 weeks, I don't notice them looking unhealthy just because they are getting trimmed so frequently. So moving on to actually straightening my bangs, I use the Go Styling Iron by FHI Heat. I do have another one that I use at Bailey's house just so that I can have a flat iron at both houses that we're staying at. Any 1-inch straightener will work. I find anything bigger or smaller, it's gonna make your life a lot harder. If it's bigger, it's not gonna be able to reach the roots. If it's smaller, it's just gonna take too long and doesn't cover as much hair. I just find this is the perfect size and I can straighten my bangs literally in 2 minutes. It really doesn't take me that long in the morning. And then I just, you know, spray some hairspray to keep it in place, and then I move on to my actual hairstyles. So honestly, these hairstyles are super basic. There are things like ponytails, low buns, things that I honestly didn't ever wear because when my hair was really long and I had no bangs, I found a ponytail just looked kind of funny on me. I don't know, but I find with bangs, and because my hair is a little bit shorter, it actually works. My hair has a lot more body than it used to. So yeah, they're super basic, but if you guys are having trouble styling your bangs, or you're unsure if you want to get bangs because you don't know what you're going to be able to do with your hair, then I really hope these hairstyles will help you. And without further ado, let's get into the video.
In my basement, silence in the room, 'cause cigarettes and makeup, sex don't get us high like they used to. Don't make me be that guy. 3 years and all we did was try to make things right. Lie, say that you don't want it. We both know it's coming, so why can't you just tell me that you cheated, that you fucked up? 'Cause I need it. We're too quiet. Let's start screaming. I don't love you no more. Just say it. Driving in my car, just chasing pavement static here with you. 'Cause lonely nights and drunken fights just don't resolve like they used to. Don't make me be that guy. 5 years and all we did was try. We'll never make things right. Lie, say that you don't want it. We both know it's coming, so why can't you just tell me that you cheated, that you fucked up? 'Cause I need it. We're too quiet. Let's start screaming. I don't love you no more. Just say it. Tell me that you cheated, that you fucked up. 'Cause I need it. We're too quiet. Let's start screaming. I don't love you no more. Just say it. Some else, but I don't wanna fall
that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up and subscribe down below. That way you never miss my face in your subscription box. We are super close to 4,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. So if you guys aren't already, please subscribe down below. That would help me out so much. But yeah, if you guys have any other requests for spring/summer videos, feel free just to leave them down in the comments. I'd love to film what you guys actually want to see. But yeah, so thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.